important features of MongoDB is called the full text search. The idea of the full text search is the one that you like we will index using the word first, like the one that the search engine do. For example, the field of the text, like this one, you can see the field description, that is the text like this. So if you want to search for just some word, maybe fruit and then herb, something like this, you can you can use the full text search. Okay, so it is about how can you use the functions of like the same thing as the search engine do. The ideas of MongoDB is quite simple. You have to create the index first, like this. Or to create the index, you can provide the list of the keys or the list of the field names, the list of the columns that you want. Or for example, this one is the description. So you provide the text index. And then once you have the word, once you create the index, now you can provide the query using text search with the fruity. So I write code for you. To get the data, I use the data from Kaggle, the wine reviews, and is in this data set. If you click on download, you will see the code that you can directly download using Python. So you can copy this one, and then you can use this code in Google Colab to download the data. And to download the data, it will return the path that will be saved. The file will be saved on your machine. So this one, once you download it, the path to the dataset file, this is the set of, this is the directory name, the path to the file that you downloaded. So once you get the path, I list all files in this path, and I use just only the first one, winemac.data 130k v2. So I use this actual path to the file and read it and store it in YDF. So you can see that this one, it has the index already indexed. So there are all of, this is the example of the data. So you can see that in the description. In the description, it has like, okay, a lot of text. So there are quite large of the number of the record. Here is 129,000 rows, around that. So I create the collection using insert many. Don't forget that you can insert it directly, because this is a list of the dictionary from the data frame. So I insert here and just set the variable name to be wine collections. So this one is, don't forget that this is the database name and this is the collections name. Okay, and then just use find one to get all keys in this field, in these collections. So this is the one that we get, and I have to create the index of description using the text one, and then I create the query using fruity, and I use the standard method to get the execution time using this query, using the text that already indexed. Okay, and this is just 0.213 seconds, while we use the regular expression that contains the substring fruity in the data. So I use this one, and this is the result. This is the execution time, so it is a little bit longer. You can try here 0.12 and this one is 0.25, so it almost like is always shorter if you use the index that you already done using the full text search style. I hope that this series will be very useful for you.